Hello everyone, today I'll be showing you how to reset your router in case you're having issues with your internet. So let's go. Keep your router plugged in. Find your router's reset button. This will be in the back or the bottom of your router. And my router is right here, this little hole, little port right here. So use a paper clip to hold down the reset button for 30 seconds and just release the button after 30 seconds. Wait for the router to power back on. But what happens after you do this? The router reset will wipe out all of your customized settings. Router username and password will be reset to factory default values as shown on the router label. Personalized Wi-Fi settings will be deleted as well, including the Wi-Fi name and password you have created if you have changed it. Wi-Fi will be deleted as well in all your connected devices at home or at work. So you will have to enter it again the default password that you got with your provider the first time you connected this router. If you don't remember it, it's under the router in the label. It says password. You have to enter this one. Because what happens if you have changed your password or username, you will have to enter the information showing in the label because you reset your Wi-Fi router to default settings. So that's it, guys. I hope this helped you. Please subscribe, leave your comments if you have any questions, and have a good day.